Hello, Chino Valley students. I want to walk you through how to complete assignments in Google Classroom. So the first thing you need to do is log into Classlink, and I know you already know how to do that. Next, I'm going to go and open McGraw-Hill to access Wonders. And I've opened McGraw-Hill just so that it can log you in. That's all you need to do. So again, I go back to my Classlink tab, and now I'm going to go to Google Classroom to see what assignments I have. When I click on Google Classroom, I get logged in. I click on the name of my teacher's class. Then I go to classwork. These are grayed out, so these are already past due or have been completed. This is an upcoming assignment due on Monday. When I click on this assignment, I read the instructions, watch video 2 times, open worksheets with Cami, and these are all the worksheets we're going to open. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the video. And once it loads, you're going to watch the video 2 times. When you're done, you can go back to Google Classroom and begin to do your work. When I click on the first assignment, it opens in a new page. To be able to write on this digital piece of paper, I need to click on Open with Cami. And if you don't have that installed, let your teacher know. We can help you do that. You should all have it though. When you click Open with Cami, it opens in a new tab. So here when it says draw a picture, you can grab the drawing tool. You can change how thick the stroke is. You can change the color, and you can draw. If you need to type, you would click on the text box and then click on the page to type. And you can change the size here as well. To highlight text, you click on the pencil markup, box highlighter, and click and drag. That's just a quick sample of some of the tools you can use. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the eraser in case I make a mistake and get rid of these things that I just added. But once you've completed your work, you're going to go all the way over here and click the Turn In button when you're finished. So you will do that for each assignment that you complete. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Have a great day.